How to convert TikTok Paylater to PayPal. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert TikTok Paylater to PayPal. First, open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Then, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Now scroll down and tap on Balance to view your available funds. Then, tap on Next to proceed to the next step. Now, tap on Get Started to begin the conversion process. Finally, tap on Live Rewards to convert your TikTok Paylater to PayPal. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.